Need a solution that lets you store all your files in one place, share and collaborate with others, and get to your photos and files from anywhere? OneDrive can help. OneDrive supports more than 270 file types. Create a file on your PC or Mac and edit the same file on your laptop, tablet, or phone. No need to email it to yourself or save a copy to a thumb drive. Easily share files with others, work together, and see comments and changes as they happen. Stay connected wherever you are with the OneDrive mobile app on your Android, iOS, or Windows phone. With all your files in OneDrive, securely store, share, and get to your files from anywhere, at work, at home, or on the go. We'll show you how.